How to add or change background on Canva mobile app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add or change background on Canva mobile app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is of course open up your Canva. After you open up your Canva, you can just head over to any size or any template that you want. After you do that, scroll down on the bottom right here, and there you should find different options such as designs, elements, and stuff like that. So you can just explore these areas, and after you do that, you can head over to different options here. Now here you should find an option called background. If you don't find it, it's completely all right. It should be somewhere around here on the elements section, where you can simply down. You should find an option called backgrounds. If you don't find it, you can simply search for it as well. After you search for it, you should find it right here like this. Now simply choose any one of these here. You can choose any one of these backgrounds, whichever are available for you. And after you do that, you can simply resize this. So let's just resize this to fit in our frame. I can make it larger than I want to. And there we go. There we have it. Now we have a new background. Now if I want to change it, all I have to do is delete this, head over to elements again, and simply search for background again. And there we go. Now I'll just choose another one, which I can again resize to meet my taste. And there we go. Now I have another background. And that is how you can add or change background on Canva mobile. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video.